Hey guys, Fix It John here. Does your screen door do this when it closes? Just slams? Or does it do this when it closes? Just takes forever and ever and ever to close. Well, there's an easy fix for that, and I'll show you how to do that. And there's an adjustment screw on this side that if you turn counterclockwise, it'll let air out quicker. If you turn it clockwise, it will hold the air. All this is a, they call it a screen door closer. So when you open the door, this cylinder fills with air. And when it closes, the piston, the spring pushes a piston that forces the air out of the chamber, which allows it to close more slowly. Okay, what you have is a little Phillips head screw here. So if you turn it counterclockwise to the left and you open it and let it close, it's going to slam. If you go too far with that screw, turn it and you can adjust it. Let's say you have dogs that you don't want to run back in or something, or you're just slow getting in the door and you don't want it slamming on you. You can adjust it to that. So I turned it clockwise, and there it's slowing a little, closing a little quieter, a little slower. I can turn it clockwise here, another quarter turn, and let's see what it does. If you hear that hissing, all you're doing is you're adjusting how fast you want the air to run out of the cylinder. If you turn it to the right all the way, it's going to close that hole up and the air is barely going to come out. So that's all it is right there. So we don't want it to close that slowly. We've got better things to do, so we'll turn it to the left and see what it does. And we don't want it slamming either. I know at times we'll let the dog out and we don't want him running back in before we can get the door closed. And you don't want to force it because you'll break things on your door. And maybe just a little bit faster. I prefer a little bit quicker. And that's good. That's where I like it. So remember, this is Fix It John. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, like and subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. And there's my double pineapples there. When they turn golden, they'll be ready to harvest. Then I have another one right here with two shoots coming off of it. So this will be a dual pineapple also. And there's my other pineapple I showed you the other day, a couple weeks ago. The bud's getting bigger. This is going to be a big one. And there's my pineapples. Pretty proud of them.